Hello everybody. This is going to be a video of selecting all the ringtones on one of my cordless telephones in my apartment. And this particular cordless phone, this model is a Panasonic KX-TG1033S, and we're going to be selecting the ringtones, what this thing can do. So first you go to Menu, and you go to Handset Settings, Ringer Settings, and then Tone Settings, and then here we go. We're going to leave it on this one. Alright. So there you have it. The ringtones on the Panasonic KX-TG1033S. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and that's it.